Welcome to Step 2, Inputs. This is where you create the form buyers fill out when they run your AI short. You will define exactly what information you need from them, such as product URLs, keywords, dates, or files. Let's build this step by step. Input fields are the questions buyers answer. For example, if your AI short finds Google autocomplete keywords, you might need a text input field. The data buyers provide is sent to your webhook, so think carefully about what your automation needs. Let's create our first field. Click Add Input Field to get started. Let's go through each section. The field label is what buyers see. Make it clear and friendly, such as keyword or search term. Field type determines the kind of input buyers provide. Options include text, URL, number, drop-down select, date, and file uploads, among others. For this example, I'll choose text. The technical key is the field name your webhook receives. Keyword automatically becomes keyword in your webhook payload. You usually do not need to change this, but you can edit it if needed. For example, if your automation already expects a specific field name. Otherwise, leave it auto-generated. It must start with a lowercase letter and contain only letters, numbers, and underscores. Placeholder text is the hint shown inside the input box, such as enter your keyword. Helper text appears below the field to provide additional guidance, such as enter the keyword you want to find autocomplete suggestions for. This is optional, but helpful. Example. Value is shown to buyers as an example when the field is empty, helping them understand what kind of answer you expect. Enable required if buyers must fill out this field. Some field types include additional options. You do not need these for every AI short, but it's helpful to know they are available. For select or multi-select fields, you can enter predefined options on new lines. For example, a drop-down might include electronics, clothing, or home and kitchen. You can also set a default value. For number fields, you can set minimum and maximum values. This is useful when buyers must stay within a specific range. For date fields, you can restrict the allowed date range by setting minimum and maximum dates. For file fields, you can allow multiple files, set a maximum file size, and limit the number of uploads. For this example, we do not need any of these options, so we'll move on. Once your field is configured, click Add Field to save it. You can then click Add Input Field again to create additional fields if needed. You can add up to 20 input fields in total. To edit a field, click Edit on the field card, make your changes, and click Update Field. To remove a field, click Remove. Fields appear in the order you add them, so place the most important or required fields first. Below the input fields, you'll see Access Requirements. This is where you specify whether buyers need to connect an external account. At this time, Amazon Ads is the only supported integration. If your AI short requires Amazon Ads data, enable Amazon Ads. Buyers will be prompted to connect before running your AI short. Check the Amazon Ads box if your tool requires it. For more details about Amazon Ads integration, see our documentation at SellerShorts.com under Integration section. That's step 2. You've created the input form buyers will fill out. Remember, every field you add here will be sent to your webhook, so make sure your AI agent knows how to handle each one.